Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is all right. I am back with another beauty unboxing for you and it is Look Fantastic. I haven't done Look Fantastic unboxing for a few months, quite a few months now, and I can't remember what enticed me into this one. But it's here, so shall we find out what is inside? I'd love it if you could just hit that subscribe button while you're just watching this, you know. Just take a few seconds, hit the button, join the High Def family. Of course you can ring the notification bell. You can also leave me a bit of a thumbs up. That's always much appreciated. And when we're done, you can share this. All right, let's get into this video. Look Fantastic is a monthly subscription box and it costs £15 a month, including P&P. And it always comes like this with a free copy of Elle magazine, which is very kind and lovely. The only thing that is annoying is that it doesn't ever come with the samples, or at least I don't think so. Only the big versions of this come with like perfume samples, but it is cool to have a magazine. I think this is worth almost £4, so that's quite a big chunk of the £15. We also get one of these, which is a little beauty magazine, and it tells us about the products inside, and it also has some other hints and tips. So next month we are going to get a full-size Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum worth £19. There we go. Sorry, I didn't warn anyone. Just told you. It's terrible of me, isn't it? Can't wait for the Christmas boxes. I hope they're going to be good. What else is in here? Party Perfect Looks, Spicy Fragrances, Blackberry Hot Chocolate Recipe, Best Colours for Autumn. All very exciting. So it's November. This month we embrace the darker nights, the glitz of bonfire night and the crisp colours of autumn with our Dark Wonder edition. Indulge in 6 magical makeup and skincare products from high-end brands that will leave you dazzling in the moonlight. In this magazine we explore the best tips and tricks for the colder season, such as the best fragrances, etc, etc. So get ready to party. There we go. This is a really nice box. I love this kind of colour purple. I think the box is nice. Like, we've got this sort of rose gold around the edge and for the writing, and this midnight blue box. It's very nice. So this is, I haven't dropped anything for a while, so I guess it's okay. This is the first look at this box, and I have to say, I love the aubergine colour of these things. I just love purple stuff quite a lot. Maybe that's why I wanted the box. I'm going to go for the biggest thing first, and it's this bubble tea bath bomb limited edition, and it's acai berry, is that how you say it, and hibiscus tree. This restoring bath fizzer uses a blend of goji berry extracts, tea notes and essential oils to help deliver nourishment to all skin types. Tea is liquid wisdom, just add water, it says. It's got blueberry, which is super berry, and it's paraben free. I can vaguely smell something. I'm not going to open it because I don't know when I might get around to actually using it. Maybe I'll even put it towards my giveaway pile. But I'm sure that would be delightful. I always mean to have baths and I don't get around to them as much as I'd like. So yeah, I'm going to put that to one side. Right, next up we have this. What is it? Contour Cosmetics. It looks like this. Quite like the packaging, the way the name's written on there. Although that sounds quite plasticky, and it says number 4 Juju on the bottom. I'm guessing this is just going to be a liquid lip nude thing. Matte liquid lipstick. This matte kiss-proof liquid lipstick is designed to last all day long. The pretty nude pink shade is perfect for an everyday look with a soft finish that doesn't dry out the lips. Encased in luxurious rose gold packaging, the highly pigmented liquid lipstick is a must-have in your makeup bag. That looks very nice, but I have got about 6-7 things in this colour in all various like formulas and things, so I'm not going to open this because I would never get around to using it. This is also going to go in my giveaway pile. Ooh, Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel Enzymatic Cream Exfoliator Advanced Skincare. Exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft, revitalized and radiant. Okay, so it is basically a mask, which I love. I love a mask. It should make your complexion appear smoother and brighter by dissolving dead skin cells without rubbing, making it perfect for delicate skin, as it also gives antioxidant and free radical protection. Your skin will be treated with seaweed actives and vitamin E, leaving you with smooth, moisturised and remineralised skin. Use once or twice a week. Oh, I would have loved it if this was a bit bigger because my head's quite big. I mean, look at the size of this bottle. But maybe it'll be okay. I can't see through the bottle, so I can't tell. But 15ml, a bit small, but it's LMS, I guess. What is this? Ren Evercome. I think I've got some of this already. Our skin is regularly exposed to environmental pollutants. Soothe and protect your skin with this gorgeous cream that trains your skin to be less sensitive whilst fighting against damage caused by free radicals and environmental aggressors. Extra tips here. It says if you suffer with sensitive, dry and inflamed rashy skin during and after pregnancy, this will really work to soothe any issues. Global Protection Day Cream. Again, I would like this to be a little bit bigger, but it's okay. I mean, it only comes up to here in the bottle. Why not just make the bottle the right size, huh? I don't know. Right, what else we got? Mellow. Designed and developed in New Zealand. Follow Mellow Cosmetics on Instagram. Never heard of this brand before. It's paraben-free, recyclable, no animal testing. And it's a precision eyeliner. I quite like the packaging. Black and gold, very fancy. Get striking eyes for every occasion. This long-lasting super black formula creates the thinnest or thickest winged liner in one sweep and gives eyes a bolder look without having to try too hard. And this is what it looks like inside the packaging. Quite fancy. Again, the gold on black. Now this I definitely am going to use because the one I've got is getting a bit tired. You can definitely go from thin to thick. And that is very inky black. Yeah, happy with that. This is going in my to use pile. Always get 6 items in a Look Fantastic box. So we're at our last item already. Sad, isn't it? And it's this. Ooh, what did I get? I think this was the item that you might get one or the other of. And it's a Gilded Honey Gelato Swirl Baked Illuminator. I didn't say that in the right order at all. It's a baked gelato swirl illuminator in gilded honey. But this looks beautiful. Let's just lift the lid and you can really see they have obviously put a lot of effort into the presentation to make it look amazing. Enhance your natural glow for the party season with this baked highlighter that feels like a cream but applies like a sheer powder. Illuminate your face and body with golden colour that bestows your complexion with natural looking radiance and luminosity. Spritz your brush and apply a highlight with this for an even stronger pigment. I'm going to have to give this a try because it looks beautiful. So that's like 3 swirls round. Look at the shine. Wow. That's up, that's on. I'm always a bit shiny anyway, but I definitely think that this looks nicer. Now that looks really Christmassy, doesn't it? Yeah, I like that. It's not perfect because I'm only doing it in the camera, but I'm sure with a bit of practice I could get my gilded honey look just right with my Christmas lips. That's really nice. I like that. And I think the colour is just right for me. So I am very happy to have it. Not bad. A few things that I'm going to put in my giveaway pile, but I think most people would actually really like them and enjoy them for themselves. It's just me, I'm a bit weird. It is winter, so I would have thought they might have done like a darker colour or a red or I don't know, something that's not a dusky pink nude that is appearing time and time and time again. I guess because it's so popular. Anyone who has tried this, please let me know in the comments below if this is amazing and you think, no, you really should open it and try it for yourself because it does something that no other lip colour does. Let me know, that'd be useful. I'm just going to go away and add everything up and I'll be back. I've had a little look into all the products and I have a few things to say. This, I'm not sure if this is a full size or not. It's a sample on the back and it doesn't have a weight on it. So I'm not sure if this is the full 4.5 grams full size or if it isn't. But if it is, then it's worth £21. If it's not, then who knows. Also, this lipstick, I can only find it to buy boxed up with a lip liner. So I've kind of guesstimated that the cost of this is say £15 because with a lip liner, total package being worth 22. I don't understand if this normally comes as a lip kit, why we didn't get it as a lip kit. That would have been better. And I can't see anywhere that you can buy this apart from on eBay on its own for £7.99. So I think I'm being quite generous, to be honest. But apart from that, with the guesstimating, the box is worth about £74.94, which is quite a good return on £15 box. We've got like 4 times the cost of the box there, which is great. 4 times or 5 times? 5 times the cost of the box, and you know that always makes me really happy. It's not my favourite box. There are things I'm going to use, and there are things I can definitely give away to people, but it's not sending me into the stratosphere of excitement this month. Where is the box that is really going to kill it? That's what I'd like to know. Is it my BIRCHBOX, and will it be BIRCHBOX just because it says about the Nutcracker and Disney, and I love Disney a lot, even though my BIRCHBOX is super late. Where is it? Anyway, off the point. Thank you guys so much for watching this, and hope you enjoyed it, and until you see me next month with more Look Fantastic, or probably in the next couple of days with another video, I hope that you take care of yourselves and live everywhere well. Bye guys.